formally pronounce to you Benjamin and Cara, husband and wife. Ben, you may kiss your bride, bro. Let's go. All right, I'll now pronounce to you Benjamin and Cara coming today.
I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light. Fire burns down and the embers slow, but I never get cold when it's you I hold. When the fire burns down and the embers slow,
Sorry, I'm awkward. You're so nice.
So there's a lot I wanted to say last night, but didn't get through it. But today, we're gonna be here a while, because it might take me a while.
Cause when I met you, I met a universe. I just wanna be your morning light.
Romans 5 talks of perseverance, and it talks of building hope and character.
And the sun come up with you by my side.
And today, with this storm and the things that were going on today, if we didn't find perseverance in what we had going on today, and we did it, and you finished it, and you finished it in the rain, and it was beautiful, and it was perfect.
Cara and Ben, as you stand before God and all others, realize that you are preparing to celebrate one of life's greatest gifts, the depths of which you have only begun to explore. Your level of love and commitment is something that many seek, but not everyone finds.
Today and every day I will walk with you wherever our journey leads us, living, learning, and loving together.
I promise to never want to change who you are, except for one thing, and today I get to change that by changing you into Miss Covington. I love you, Cara, and I can't wait to begin the rest of our lives together.